enters the Indian market again. Hello and welcome to Inventiva. I'm Manulya Singh bringing you the top news for the day. Due to the coronavirus pandemic and lockdowns, most jobs have shifted to become work from home. Work from home requires your upper body, which is visible to the camera, to be very professional. A person has to sit wearing formals for the upper part of the body while his legs unwind in the essence of comfortable pajamas. The same is the case with jewelry, makeup, etc. Work from home has changed the jewelry preferences of people. Women want their jewelry donned on the upper part of the body so that it is visible to other people. They prefer chokers, pendants, watches, rings, hair accessories, earrings, piercings, in short, everything that is made for the upper body. Trade promotion executives from Thailand said that they are planning a new range of jewelry so that they can amend to these altering preferences. Thailand is not only famous for its pristine geography but is well known for its gemstone and silver. Thailand is the world's third largest exporter of silver jewelry and colored stones, followed by the US and Hong Kong. The Thai government has organized Bangkok Gems and Jewelry Fair, which will be conducted virtually from 22nd to 24th June 2021. The fair has its eyes all set on the Indian market and hopes to bag a large order because of massive economic loss and lockdown. Expenses on luxury items reduced significantly. But reports show that the economy is slowly coming back on track. Thai officials endorsed the same. They said the appetite for jewelry, which was suppressed because of COVID-19, has now gradually started to heighten. Work from home has forced people to wear jewelry that highlights their upper body, which is visible in Zoom calls or MS Teams. Officials from Thailand's Department of International Trade Promotion said that in 2021, consumers are trying out a bolder, eye-catching statement jewelry with creative designs in all shapes and sizes. People are going for bold and colorful designs because it is very hard to notice jewelry on a small screen of group Zoom calls unless it's very catchy. Since there is no chance of going out, people desire colors other than black and white. Statement colors help you stand out in terms of dress-up when it comes to working from home. The officials said that the minimalist diamonds, white gold, silver and platinum have always been the choice of mature audience like people belonging to the 35 to 45 age group. Younger generation like millennials and Gen Z are going for bold, funky, neon and colorful designs which create bling. Since everyone misses going out a lot, green, which represents nature, is becoming the new favorite. Thailand imports $300 million worth of gems and jewelry from India and exports almost double of it to India. India has always been Thailand's preferred export market for jewelry. Thailand is known for its silver, sapphires and rubies. It is also known for its Thai-colored gemstones. Stone cutting is an exceptionally matured industry in Thailand. It is famous because of its fine craftsmanship, cheap prices and amazing quality. Thai rubies were not well known as pigeon's blood rubies from Burma. But after the 1960s, experts found a solution to this problem and enriched the colors of ruby. These rubies were so successful that after the 1980s, Thailand's ruby mines were completely exhausted. Thai silver is very famous and handicrafted by the native hill tribe people of northern Thailand. Traditional knowledge incorporated with excellent craftsmanship skills is the secret ingredient of Thai silver success. It has intricate designs that makes them stand out. Thai silver has a 925 sterling rate, meaning it is 92.5% pure silver. To obtain the ancient old age silver effect, Thai silver features matte surface. This ancient look makes Thai silver more expensive due to high labor cost.